Hailings to una my correct people. I don't come again with another hot sauce, as they hot. And make we take like sharp, enter the one with the shelle for our area. I remain una personal person, I never change. I maybe on my wiggy, una tori person. I say make I officially give una better hailings. As now they show say una they follow this story corner, una well done. This na Kasala Central. My people, we get one yarns wey say if then they pursue thief, they shout ole, ole. And the thief too, they shout ole, ole, catch am, come they run. Nobody go, know who the real thief be. As in, una go understand these yarns later. If you no understand now, me I no go explain, you understand later. Country people, Oga Presido Bubu don comot here say he get school sabiness pass article. No be small thing, no be small matter. Bubu here say he get qualifications pass article to contest for the election we just finished. So Bubu been chook these years before the Presido election petition tribunal. As I see this one, as I see this one, as in who they catch me? No be smart, I no go understand which qualification they may talk about again, because now the same Oga Buhari where we been they argue about his certificate yesterday. So Shebuna never forget. But as he be saying that Presido make a do pitchy come. But the matter before you go end with bring back our wiggy, bring back our wiggy. You gonna understand now. So we could just put close mouth for this matter as it be so. Still on Atiku matter, join body of minority tribes don't bring another leg on top Atiku matter. No be smart, They carry matter go same election tribunal say Atiku no be original Naija or say he no be original Naija. Say him from Cameroon. Country people, as I hear this one, I just pity these tribunal people. As in, nothing where they never hear with this their 2 years. Nothing at all. I pity them, no be small. They tell Oga Atiku say he get 21 days to go back to a country where be Cameroon. And before he go back, Ghana must go back. Cameroon must go back. Say he must first apologize to Nigerians. Yes, now the Secretary General of the group will be Abdulmumuni Hassan talk this yarns. Say it be like say General Ibrahim Babangida been know the cocoa of the matter. Say Atiku no be Naija. That's why Congress give am CG of Nigerian Customs Services. Even at say Baba OBJ man been suspect Atiku. And now why you talk am inside in book my watch. But as I go always tell una, not only tori I carry come una domot. In fact, make we enter another matter so safe. Before I yarn una this one, I beg make una help me give Senator Adeyeye Tiri Boza. Because many senators as you see them so they make common sense where they hardly make sense. But this man don't talk something. They touch my liver. Sorry, now hear my liver day. He don't talk something where he touch my liver, no be small. Senator Adeyeye don't come out talk through where other people they won't tell us. And I sure say when you get ram, as in when you hear ram, you go confirm on yourself. Say our constitution now the biggest scam we don't get. And I did all of our problem for this country today.
This constitution can never give us unity. And unfortunately, most of us in this National Assembly, we don't have the spine to face what we need to give this republic to have peace and progress.
Anyway, Brigade don't drop another naked truth from our president and politicians them onto levels to make Nigeria progress. Oga Bilibili talk say Samsung say him no dey fear face o. Him go yarn Oga Buhari the koko say if him no chook eye enter health matter and education of youth for Nigeria, say e no go better for Naija o. Say him dey use the money to make sure say e better for health matter onto polio level. So he gets mouth to talk about the things where they share. Him say as it be so now our government they live leprosy, they treat crow. Say same some of them never get their priorities right, and if they no address them now, say na future bege be that too. Yes, I wetin he talk so. Sharply, I know say all of una dey chillax until the break where federal government don't give for Easter. So And I want to wish our Christian brethren and sisters, yes, if brethren day, sistren suppose day. So I wish all of you a happy Easter. Make una take time, chill with family, and do things we go, make Naija better. Until I show una ends again, I may be on my wiggy. Una well done.